Driving in the rain, I love it. I love it. It's one of the most fun things you can do when you're just dancing with the car, having the car slipping and sliding around. A lot of fun. Not everybody likes the rain though, and I'll tell you what, I'm going to give you 3 pretty important tips I think that are going to make you a better driver in the rain. First up, think of this term, initiate slowly, react fast. Meaning, as you approach a corner, you want to turn the steering wheel and use the pedals and everything as slowly and as smoothly as you possibly can. But as the car starts to slip and slide a little bit, don't wait. You've got to catch it right away. A lot of drivers will think, just let it kind of hang out a little bit, and then they start sliding too much and either spin or just slow themselves down. So you want to initiate slowly, but catch it quickly. Second thing is be smooth. Hey, everybody tells you that. But think about it. You're dancing with the car. You want to keep the car balanced as well as you possibly can the whole time. And finally, make the car do something. Don't wait for it, make the car do something. Something I learned years ago driving in the rain was if I went into the corner and I was just kind of waiting for it to do something, and then it did something, it would catch me off guard. And I would then have to try to react to that. What I learned is if I entered the corner just a little faster, I could actually make the car slide, and by making the car slide, I was prepared for it. I was like, okay, I got it, I can control this now. So if you really want to be quick in the rain, you actually have to force yourself to carry a little bit more speed into the corners to the point where now you're going to make the car slide, and then you know that it's going to slide. So force the car to understeer or oversteer, and then just control that. And then just have fun in the rain. Nothing better.